รู้เรื่องอินเดียในหมู่คนไทยส่วนใหญ่ สลัมที่ใหญ่ที่สุดในโลก ประชากรแออัดหนึ่งในการจราจรที่แย่ที่สุดในโลก อยากไปสังเวยสักครั้ง และเต็มไปด้วยความงมงาย แต่ภาพที่คนส่วนใหญ่ไม่มีโอกาสได้รับรู้ ธรรมชาติที่งดงามสมบูรณ์ สถาปัตยกรรมหลุดโลก อุตสาหกรรมบันเทิงที่ใหญ่กว่าฮอลลีวูด แหล่งรวมมหาเศรษฐีอันดับต้นๆของโลก และพลังขับเคลื่อนเศรษฐกิจโลกในยุค 4.0 จุดพลิกที่ทำให้อินเดียผงาดขึ้นบนเวทีโลกทางด้านของเทคโนโลยีสารสนเทศนั้นอยู่ที่ปี คศ 2000 หรือว่า Y2K ครับ
When the world was facing the Y2K crisis, then engineers graduated from IITs. They went everywhere in the world to serve the IT and computer programs, softwares, which were about to crash because of Y2K problem. So you can say the present IT that we see, it is greatly contributed by premier institutions like IITs in India. Another chief of Google that we use everyday life, every moment I will say, its chief Sundar Pichai is also IIT graduate. 50% of the companies in the Silicon Valley are owned by IIT graduates. India, 1.3 billion people. Every fifth person or sixth person in the world is Indian. To manage such a big population, it is very difficult. Now even everything like financial transactions, everything is digital. If you see in the world, the topmost country which has digitized the financial transaction is India. Even the vegetable vendors, they accept the money by mobile phone. So linking such a population by digitizing the economy, that happened just 4 years back. So this digital transaction was the backbone of IT, which has given the rise of India. Main thing is financial technology linked to IT. And now all the money is controlled. Not only business is booming, people are getting richer there, but also corruption is controlled. You can target controlling the corruption by digitization. Each and every money which is transacted, it is recorded.
ประเทศไทยสามารถใช้องค์ความรู้ของอินเดียในเรื่องของเทคโนโลยีสารสนเทศหรือ IT ในการขับเคลื่อน Thailand 4.0 เพื่อไปสู่เศรษฐกิจดิจิทัลอย่างเต็มรูปแบบ
Indians are innovative in nature. How to do more with less. That is the policy of Thailand 4.0 now, but it has been there because resources were less, and how to maximize the use, and using IT sector, how to manage the thing. So developing apps, developing softwares and devices. So I think Indians are pretty good in that. Thailand has done very well in many sectors like agro business, food technology. India is a big population. They need your support. At the same time, CP Group of Thailand, they have presence in many parts of India now. Many other agro-based industry in Thailand can collaborate. Food grain packaging, Thailand is #1. Rice production and export, India is also doing very well. So if India and Thailand join hands in modernizing the agriculture sector in both countries, you can take the help of our engineers for modernization and achieving the goals of Thailand 4.0. At the same time, you can provide services to Indian agriculture sector, and then it will be really game changer in the world. Thailand hopes to be like a kitchen of the world, and India can be like producer of the fruit grain with such a big area, but its production can be increased by the support of Thailand. IITs and especially the government of India, they want a very strong relationship with ASEAN, and as per their commitment, they have given 1,000 PhD scholarship for ASEAN citizens to study in IITs in India. It will cover all their expenses, living expenses, tuition, everything, and they will get a chance to learn with premier institution of faculty from IITs, MIT, and then Oxford, Stanford. They have the centers in IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, Madras. Germany has a strong collaboration with IIT Madras, and then IIT Kharagpur had a very strong support from USSR, former Soviet Union, now Russia. And so many top universities have opened their research center in IITs. So if Thailand students go there, they will be very much benefited, you can get the world-class research and innovation facilities and to learn. Not only this, the network is phenomenal. You will have a network right in Silicon Valley. You will have network in Microsoft, Google. You name any IT company, you will have the network.